If my choice was to collaborate with the Israelis on a conventional campaign or force them to use their nuclear weapons, it would be an extraordinarily dangerous world if out of a sense of being abandoned, they went nuclear. No bombing campaign which leaves the regime in charge is going to accomplish very much in the long run. You have to seriously talk about regime replacement, not just attacking them. But I will also say,
what we're doing is we're analyzing the Twitter messages that are coming in real time and analyzing what sentiment they express. So we have an algorithm that tries to figure out whether it's a positive or negative sentiment about each candidate. And what's really new about what we're doing is first that we can do that in real time. Most people have done this after the fact, looking at what Twitter meant after an event. And the second one is that we're refining a much better sentiment analysis than the one that exists. And this is something where this is our very first version of it. We have a number of ideas to refine it, but it's already pretty good when we check what kind of rating it gives to various tweets that are coming across. It's actually right a lot of the time, so that's very encouraging.